Hi everyone, welcome to our small backyard garden. So today I am going to give you a quick tour here in our backyard garden. So the garden is in progress. We just redid this walkway last year, and it looks good. In this side right here we have the climbing rose, and I am imagining this year that we will fill this wall with all the roses. Beside right here I have the bush type of rose. This is the topaz jewel, and I just planted this last year, and it's very prolific and it grows so fast. In here it's just the container that I have decided to plant calla lily and creeping jenny, but the calla lily is done blooming now. And in this little box right here on the bottom I have the creeping jenny, and then I have the floribunda rose right here that I just planted last year and it didn't grow that much, but hopefully next year we'll do okay. And here's the cosmos. I planted this from seeds. It takes a long while to bloom, but finally, I think it has to do with the weather that we have in here. Our summer we had so much rain, and the weather at night it's a little bit cooler, so everything slows down. The blooms are not it's not as good as like last year, but it's okay. And this is the arbor that we have right here. In here we have just give me a second. We have the scarlet runner beans. I planted the scarlet runner beans for the hummingbird. They love to come here every season, every summer, to visit my garden and enjoy the scarlet runner beans. But right on this side in here I already planted a honeysuckle, so that if this becomes matured I don't need to plant the scarlet runner beans. Instead they will have the honeysuckles. So on this side of the walkway right here I redid it last year as well, so it's not very matured yet, but hopefully next year the plants that I planted here will bloom beautifully. So we have the hydrangea, that's Annabelle hydrangea. Oh, actually here I just planted this climbing rose, and the plan is for it to climb all the way to the top of this fence. And then next to it we have the Annabelle hydrangea, and then we have the, let's see, what is this? Okay, this is the City Line Venus hydrangea. It would bloom next year. And then next to it another Annabelle hydrangea, and then we have another climbing rose that I am thinking to climb it here in the whole trellis. And then we have another rose. This is supposed to be a bush type of rose, but seems it's very tall, so I'm not sure if it's just mistakenly labeled as shrub type, but maybe it's a climbing rose, I'm not sure. We'll see. So as you can see, some of my hydrangeas are turning into a very nice color of pink. We have this dahlia right here. This is what the tubes, what do you call it, tuber? The tuber was given to me by a friend, and every year what I do is, or I mean in the fall, I'll take out the tubers and then place it on the basement, and every spring I'll take it out and plant it again in a container. And then we always have this beautiful flower. This morning I was here at the garden. I started to clean up, and so the garden is looking a little bit I'll say tidy. Wow, look at the sky. This is so beautiful. Look at that. So anyways, let's go back to the tour. In here I have another shrub rose, and I'm surprised that it is blooming. Let's see the buds. There's many of them right there. As you see, the blueberry is changing color too. I really like the color of the fall. Look at that. So here is our sitting area. So either in the morning we'll have a breakfast right here, or sometimes at dinner time we'll have dinner on the deck. Here, I'll show you the deck quickly. So we'll have the dinner right there on the deck, and then after that we'll take our dessert right over here. So it's just a nice little spots to just hang out and enjoy the garden, where we always see all the different type of birds that hangs out on this bird bath. We have many birds that comes here every day. We have finches, different type of finches. We have sparrows. And then a hummingbird comes in here too, but I don't see it landed on the bird bath. It lands on the zinnias. They love the zinnias a lot. But as you see, the zinnias are almost finishing as well. I'm excited to show you one of my marigold that I have, and this to me is very rare. Look at the color of my marigold. This is so beautiful. I've never seen this color of marigold before. So it takes a long time to bloom. Yes, it has to do with the weather that we have here, I think, this time. But I am really trying to get the seeds of this flower so that I can plant it again next year or the next season. It is so stunning. Look at that. All the hydrangeas at the back right there is fading into deep green color. I have another bird bath right here. It's just a small dish, but this is one of the favorite bird bath of the birds. I think it's because it's very shallow and they feel safe, so they love to have a bath here every morning. My new down rose is over right here on this arbor. It's so prolific and it's so beautiful. I am hoping that next year I will get more blooms with my roses. So that's the new down rose right here. And then because of all the hydrangeas are already faded or finishing for this season, I decided to put a part of my cosmos in here. These are planted from seeds. It takes a long time as well to bloom, but it's finally blooming. This is one of the best water features here in our small backyard garden. The sound is so soothing and relaxing. It's just nice to sit down right here beside it and listen and just be quiet. Watch all the natures, birds, bees, dragonfly, and sometimes we have monarch butterfly in here too. As you can see, all the flowers are pretty much done for the season. But I'm so surprised that this daily lily is flashing another, look, it's blooming again. I have my Mr. Rabbit right there. Always been so welcoming. And oh, I want to show you the boxwood. These two boxwood right here. There's one right there, and then there's another one over on this side. So my plan is for it to grow bigger and to shape it, so then it becomes like a little like well, entrance going to the sitting area. So that's how it looked like right now. So hopefully next year it will grow more bigger. So this is how the sitting area look like over this. Okay, this right there. It's a very small garden that we have in here, but I managed to plant a whole bunch of variety or type of flowers in here. We have the flowers for spring. We have the flowers that grow for summer, and then for fall as well. So we have different type of variety of flowers according to the season. Now let's go to my table over right here. So do you know how I get free plants? So all of these plants right in this table here, in these little pots, they are grown from seeds. So this is the Sweet Williams right here. I have 5 pots of Sweet Williams. I grew from seeds. I am planning to plant them in the front yard. And then this is the Echinacea. I have 2 or 3 actually. I got 1, 2, and then 3. This is more matured right here. So those are grown from seeds. And then this is the mint. I grew this from cuttings. And the clematis. Oh yeah, perfect timing. So you see this is the clematis. It's already growing. This is the clematis that right here. It has a beautiful flower. It's done with its blooms, but anyways, I took a cutting there and planted it in this little pot, and this is how it is now. So now I'm planning to plant it somewhere here in the garden. And this is another clematis that I have as well from that side, other side right there, that blooms. This one blooms around early spring. So I have the cuttings, and now I know it's growing. I'm just excited to have it for the next seasons. But before the winter come, I will plant it on the ground. So really, you don't have to spend that much money to do your garden. All you do is have a patient, pick a flower that you like, buy a seeds, and just have patient wait, and it will grow beautifully in your garden. Anyways, let's go back to the cosmos right here. Look at those beautiful cosmos right here. They are so beautiful. There's so much buds right there that's gonna open up soon. Oh, I have something to show you. This is the cuttings that I grew from one of my hydrangea. This is the little limelight hydrangea. See, I took a cutting and then planted here, and now I have a new plant of hydrangea. And then there's another cuttings too that I planted right there, and seems it's doing okay. Let's now show you my vegetable garden. I just cleaned up this garden this morning. I pulled the cucumber and some of the plants that are done, or vegetables, and now it looks more spacious. But I'm planning to plant some fall crops in here, so I only have few vegetables that are left in here because I have harvested them already. My tomato didn't do well this season, but we did harvest few, and that's fine. So this area right here are like my little kitchen garden where we plant all our vegetable that we like to eat. And then every time we cook during summertime, we don't need to run to the store. We come here to the garden and harvest, or take whatever we need in the kitchen. Okay, so let's go back to the sitting area. Well, I was cleaning the deck this morning, but I will show you how it looked like right now. I was trying to clean this space up, so that's why it looks so bare. But this is where we have our dinner most of the time when the weather is good. And after that, as I mentioned, that's area right there. That's where we have our dessert. Just relax and enjoy the sound of the water and watch all the birds and the bees and all the insects that comes around. Anyways, I think that's all for today. I would say thank you so much for watching my video, and if you're not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. And once again, thank you so much if you are already a subscriber. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.